Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are in Turkey, Antalya, and we are in one of the most visited places in Antalya, which is called the Düden waterfall. This is one of the most natural areas in Antalya, and it looks so natural. Like, look at these caves, guys, and then the most best views you guys can see from this little cave. There are a few holes which I found really cute. Me and my brother was having so much fun finding the way to the staircases. I mean, it's not a way, but it's so fun for us. So we were playing, and then when we got to the actual area, it was like we got inside heaven. It was so good. Over here we have more caves and caves, and over here me and my brother started climbing, and my uncle also started climbing with us. So now we are just gonna be climbing and climbing and climbing until we can reach the height. But we didn't go all the way high, but this is the view, guys. This is so majestic. I loved the view. Walking and walking, I got so tired that I got mentally some problem that I started clapping to the table. Even my mom and my brother were so shocked of what I was doing. But this was me when I get bored. Hey guys, right now we're in Antalya, Mediterranean Sea in the Düden waterfall, and this is Mediterranean.
Yeah, so beautiful. It is a lot of waterfalls.
After everything, me and my brother thought to have a break and play in the playground. But anyways, this is the video. If you liked it, subscribe, like and share. Bye.